Today, we are going to learn alphabets with animals. Letter N. Do you know what animal begins with the letter N? Can you guess? It's a numbat. N is for numbat. Numbat is spelled N-U-M-B-A-T. Numbat. N is for numbat. Numbat. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content in this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks again, and see you next time.